If you're trying to find a Calendly invite, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to locate it and book your meeting without missing a step. This is a super simple process, but if you've ever had an invite buried in your inbox, you know it can still be a little frustrating. So in this video, I'll show you exactly where to look, what to search for, and how to confirm your booking once you find the link. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software how-to guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the email account where you received the invitation. This is important because Calendly invites are usually sent directly to the email address the meeting was shared with. If you use multiple inboxes, make sure you're checking the one that was actually invited. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar in your email inbox and type in Calendly. That usually pulls up the invite email much faster. You can also search for words like booking, schedule, or meeting if needed, but Calendly is the best keyword to start with. Now look through the results for an email that contains a Calendly scheduling link or a meeting invitation. The email will usually include a clear button or link that says something like book a time, view schedule, or choose a meeting slot. Once you spot that email, open it. Inside the email, click the booking link. This will take you to the Calendly scheduling page for that person or event. On this page, you'll usually see available dates and times based on the host's calendar availability. Next, choose an available date and time that works for you. Calendly makes this part easy because the open slots are already shown, so you don't have to guess or send back and forth messages to find a good time. After that, enter your details if required. Depending on the event, you may need to type in your name, email address, or any additional notes requested by the organizer. Make sure everything looks correct before you move forward. Once your information is filled in, confirm the booking. Calendly should then save your appointment and lock in the selected time on the calendar. In many cases, you'll also see a confirmation message on screen right away. The last thing to do is check your email for the booking confirmation. This is where you'll usually find the event details, the time, the date, and sometimes even a calendar invite you can add to your own calendar. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. And that's it. That's how to find a Calendly invite, open the scheduling link, book your time, and confirm your meeting through email. Super easy once you know where to look. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.